Hi everyone, this is Chara with Rihanna Stark. This is another bigger card reading. In this reading, we will cover the topic love messages coming in for May 2021 or what you can expect with respect to your love life in the month of May. We have two piles here. This is pile A, which is a clear quartz, and this is pile B, which is a rose quartz. Viewers, you can also pause the video and decide intuitively which pile you are being drawn to. Incidentally, we also have the timestamp given in the description box, so in case you want to proceed directly to your reading, you can do just that. Before I proceed, I would like to thank you for being a part of this journey. Those of you who picked pile A, which is the clear quartz right here, these are your messages. I'll keep this aside for now. The first card in your reading pile A is the Three of Pentacles. This is a material vibration, so in case you're already romancing, I think the two of you could be in the same line of work, or maybe you are pursuing hobbies and interests which are similar to each other. The two of you are also quite collaborative. Maybe it's a partnership that you are working on. You're bouncing ideas of each other. I think this person is also going to be keen to accompany you to business meetings. Maybe you should also be more accommodative because this is the Three of Pentacles. So this is asking you to be more open or be more receptive to taking help from your person. Incidentally, the next card in your reading is also the Two of Pentacles. So you are juggling money and energy. You are juggling those ideas together. Singles can also expect unwarranted attention this month. I think in case you're on the lookout of a prospective match, then there could be possible suitors on matrimonial sites, but then maybe you're disinterested. The next card in your reading is I feel safer in silence in case there's a break in your connection, or in case there are those moments when you don't want to communicate with each other. Then I think silence is also sings as much as when we verbalize everything. Maybe this person isn't being true to you or to this connection because this is something which you are picking up this week. Possibly, you could be quite aligned on the spiritual plane, or you could be quite aligned on the 5D world, but then this person isn't honest with his feelings. Silence can also be quite deafening, or it can also be quite awkward. Maybe this person at times wants to reflect, or he wants time to gather his thoughts as well. Perhaps there are also outside influences which become a factor in your love life right now. These are financial issues. Incidentally, the first two cards in your reading did talk about the pentacle energy, so that is why I think the material vibration seems to be playing up again. Possibly you need to focus on material concerns. Maybe there are certain limitations or roadblocks and impediments which you need to overcome. Even from the Love Oracle deck, we have this card, limitations, impediments, roadblocks, outside influences. These are some things which you need to maneuver. Maybe there's opposition from your family members. Maybe they feel that you're not good for each other, or that you need to distance yourself. Sometimes, your social background could also be an issue here. Those of you who are in a third party situation, I think you'll have to wait. Maybe your person is quite scared of the repercussions of this connection. I think you're somebody who wants to confront this person. You want decisive answers from this person. You don't want to be someone who is hanging by the thread. Like I said, this person can go silent. So when you're going to ask him or you're going to push him because you want those answers, he could go quiet. Maybe he wants this relationship or this connection to remain unacknowledged because there are factors which are preventing him from accepting this connection. On the Butterfly Oracle deck, we have this card, Volunteer. I think work seems to be a priority for the two of you. Sometimes volunteer work is also the best method to effect change in your life. Maybe the two of you need to engage in a creative venture or something the two of you are passionate about, because this could help revive the romance. Maybe it could make your life more meaningful as well. Well, Pile, this connection is definitely going to see those turbulent days because the wind is blowing quite forcefully right now. Maybe this change can be affected if you're too forceful, or in case you need to be passionate about something. Sometimes, it's best to detach from certain situations and focus on volunteer work. Put your hands up for something which could bring you more positive energy. social work can also be something which the two of you need to devote your time to. The next card in your reading is I'm really bad at commitment. Possibly, this person gets cold feet when you question him about the future of this relationship. Maybe he suffers from commitment phobia. Though he knows in his heart that he cares about you, but that is not enough. You need a formal commitment from this person for this relationship to advance. There has to be some solidity to it. I want to be authentic. I'm no longer afraid. This is ironic because this person's mind seems to deter, or possibly even you could be the one who is in a dilemma. Maybe at times you want to commit to this relationship, at other times you want to move away or run away because commitment phobia could be an issue here. But this person also realizes that he can't play with his own emotions. A part of him also wants to be real. He wants to do justice to this relationship. Possibly, fear can also be this impediment which we were talking about. But one has to overcome it to reach the next level. He cannot numb this feelings that he has for you. He cannot just go quiet, or he cannot just retreat into a shell. Maybe this person is in denial as it is easier to escape from the situation. All in all, Pile, in the month of May, there's a huge possibility that you could come across someone on account of your shared interests or hobbies. Or in case you're already in a connection, I think you want answers from your person. You don't want him to be closed off. I hope, Pile, you liked your reading. This is Star with Rihanna Star. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. Those of you who picked Pile B, which is the rose quartz right here, this is your reading. I'll keep this aside for now. The first card in your reading, Pile B, is the Seven of Pentacles. It's quite likely in this May you're going to be discussing or planning about your future. Maybe you're going to discuss strategies with respect to work, because it's also the earth energy, the pentacle energy, which is asking you to be more grounded, or you want this relationship to be more stable. I think you can expect a romantic exchange with your person. At times, you could be exchanging text messages, or you will be discussing things late into the night. This could leave you with the bags under your eyes, but then you're not going to complain. Perhaps it's also time to read those romantic books to each other. Maybe you could read those book extracts, or you need to listen to some romantic numbers as well, because right now at the point of recording this video, there's some background music. I don't know if you can pick that up. Next card in this reading is the Magician card. Possibly you are looking for divine intervention, or divine timing could be at work in your life. At times this lady seems to be all by herself. So there could be those days when you are all by yourself. Maybe your lover is also a bit aloof at times, or perhaps you could be someone who is aloof. I do see 1111 right now. I think you could also be planning to meet with this person, but then some of your plans could also fizzle out, so you should be mindful of that. Nevertheless, I think you can expect romantic conversation with this person, or you can also listen to romantic numbers. It's also time to read those book extracts to each other. I think this is necessary to keep the romance alive. In case you're in a third party situation, I think you see this person as someone who is dilly-dallying, who is not being upfront with his emotions. Maybe that is why you could be gripped by nostalgia as well. There could be those days when you will be reminiscing about the past as well. Maybe there's an important date which is connected to your person, and this could remind you, or this could open the floodgates of memories. Incidentally, the next card in this reading is We Will Be Together Again. Perhaps this message is quite specific for those of you who are in an unacknowledged relationship, or if there's been some kind of a rift or parting. This person's soul knows that the two of you will be together again, whether in this lifetime or in another lifetime. Silent Treatment is the next card in this reading from the Love Oracle deck. I think at times in the month of May, the two of you could go cold. Maybe there's a breakdown of communication, or either of you could be incommunicative. Sometimes, we ignore each other because there's been a lover's stiff. These dead leaves will only rustle when somebody walks on them or tramples upon them, or when the wind blows. Maybe it is also necessary to communicate to break the ice, because silence can also be quite awkward, as this could create an emotional distance in your relationship. Like I said, this lady seems to be quite alone and detached, or she seems to be enjoying her own world. Once the silence is broken, or once this wall of silence falls down or crumbles, then there's going to be passion. That is why I think it's imperative for you to be flirtatious, to indulge in light-hearted conversations or to chat. There is a sexual chemistry here which is quite apparent, because this person is holding on to his beloved. I think if the two of you are passionate, then definitely you will feel the ardor in your love life. You will benefit if you will indulge in hobbies that the two of you like. In case you're single, pile B, there's also a possibility that you could meet someone special on account of the hobby that you pursue. That is why it is necessary for you to mingle with others. Gracefully aging is the next card from the Butterfly Oracle deck. Perhaps this relationship is also making you wiser. It is certainly bringing in that inner peace that comes in on account of age. Like I said, you could be seeking each other out for each other's wisdom. I think the two of you may also be asked to take care of your elderly parents or aging elders. Perhaps they could also give you some piece of advice with respect to this connection. Maybe you are learning love lessons by discussing things with your aging mentor. You are the only person who truly gets me. In his heart, this person that you fancy, or this person whom you have a deep connection with, knows that you understand him or her perfectly well. There's a definite soul connection here. Besides, you picked up the rose quartz, so this person has a deep soul connection with you. I miss you regardless of how things seem. Even if you give each other the silent treatment, this person is certainly missing you. Deep down, he knows that he is yearning for you. Maybe he is wearing a mask, because we do have deception here. He seems to be hiding his face behind this bark of a tree, as he seems to be in denial. You have to be beware, because deception is also on the cards in your love life this May. Maybe that is why you are looking up to the heavens, because we did have Magician right here, which was the second card in your reading. All in all, pile B, you have to overcome these phases which are going to be a part of your life this May. I hope pile B, you liked your reading. This is Shara with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye till the next time.